Welcome to Neural Designer. In this video, we are seeing the databases supported by Neural Designer and how to load them. A database is a collection of information that is organized so that it can easily be accessed, managed, and updated. To carry out this tutorial, we are going to work with the Microsoft S.Q.L server. To load it to Neural Designer, first, we have to select the project type as we explained in another video. In this case, we select an approximation project. Once we are in the editor page, by clicking on the Import Database button, it shows up the Import Database wizard. First, in the database connection page, appear a set of fields to be filled. In this case, the database type is SQL Server. The database name is Neural Designer Database. The host is Neural Designer server.database.windows.net. The port has been set to 1433 as a default value. Finally, we have to fill the user and the password fields. When all the required fields are completed, the next step is to click on the Test Connection button in order to connect to our database. If there is not an error, you can click on the Next button to querying your database. The database query page allows you to check your database and import the results into your project. You can only introduce select statements for retrieving information and not other statements for manipulating the database. By clicking on Test Query button, we can see the results for our introduced query. Then, clicking on Finish bottom, we would have our database loaded to Neural Designer. Finally, Neural Designer supports other databases. The procedure used to load them into Neural Designer would be the same as this example. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one.